Hey, this is Dan LaFave, and I'm about to crack open a secret box. I've broken into Russell Brunson's lair, and I'm about to open the secret box and find out what he's doing to create funnels that can produce revenues in any market with any product, with any service. So let's check it out. All right. Let's be very quiet. I don't want to wake him up in case he's got a gun or something. So anyway, let's check it out. What is Russell doing? Let's check out what he's doing. All right, so here he is. Okay, let's check out what this says. This says, how would you like to earn $100 every time someone joins the One Funnel Away Challenge with you? This sounds like a conspiracy going on to me. So anyway, we'll check this out a little bit more later, but I gotta keep going. So let's see what's in this little box here. This looks like a very sensitive device of some kind. Check that out. Oh, you know what? I think there's probably some secret information on there. This is an MP3 player, it looks like, but we're going to decipher this and we're going to figure out what is on here and break the code. All right, what else is in this box that Russell is keeping hidden from everybody? I mean, look at this guy. He's printing his own money. I mean, is he taking over the world or something? Is he going to be the next president? I don't know. I mean, he's pretty powerful. So let's check it out. And I'm being very careful. This could be radioactive, so I want to be very careful with it. And it's very sensitive. So let's check out what else is in here. I mean, look at this thing. This looks pretty interesting. This says, you suddenly lose everything. 30 days. What would you do from day 1 to day 30 to save yourself? I mean, that sounds pretty interesting. Sounds like there's some pretty intriguing stuff going on. I mean, why would we need to save ourselves in 30 days? Is there something coming that Russell knows? So let's check out what else is in here. All right. What else is this guy? Okay, I just heard something, but I think it's okay. This is the 2 Comma Club coaching. What is this? 2 Comma Club coaching. I mean, that sounds like a pretty sacred club to be in. And I'm seeing here a funnel hacking live 2 Comma Club coaching. I gotta wonder, what is this all about? What is he doing, and what is this going to do to the marketplace and the world? How's it going to change things? I mean, is this guy going to change the world? Let's see what else is going on here. The One Funnel Away Challenge workbook. I mean, this sounds like he's got a club going on of some kind that's going to make a huge, huge dent in what's going on in the world. I mean, what is a funnel and a funnel away challenge? I mean, this is pretty intriguing. I mean, if he's got a One Funnel Away Challenge, what is it and what's it going to do? How's it going to change things in the marketplace? You know, so this is pretty cool stuff, what he's got going on here. So let's see what else is in here. Let's see what else is in here. That's it. That's everything. All right. So we're going to take this away. We're going to decipher the code, and I'm going to come back and let you know exactly what this guy's doing and how he's planning on taking over the world. Stay tuned for the next episode.